Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for an easy pumpkin pie. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. For this recipe you'll need 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of a sweetened condensed milk, 3 large eggs or 4 small, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. You can add more or less according to your preference. Next, mix everything until it's well incorporated. Once incorporated, pour it into your graham cracker crust. This is what I like using. If you wanted to use the traditional crust, I would leave a link to that in the description box. So once you pour it out in there, you want to make sure that there are no air bubbles. And then this goes into your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once it's finished and it's cooled down properly, then you can cut into it. Don't try cutting into it when it's hot, it's going to fall apart on you. This is like a pumpkin custard or a pumpkin creme caramel. That's how I will describe the taste of it. And it was really delicious and satisfying. All you have to do is dish it out and serve. And I liked serving this with just a dollop of whipped cream. Homemade whipped cream can be made with heavy cream, with some powdered sugar or icing sugar. Whip it till stiff or firm peaks, and then you just decorate and serve it to your guests. How easy was that? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Continue to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.